Looking to boost your engine's performance and maximize fuel efficiency? In this video, we'll review the top 5 best fuel system cleaners of 2024. Whether you're aiming to reduce emissions, eliminate carbon buildup, or simply keep your vehicle running smoothly, these fuel system cleaners are tested and proven to help. Stay tuned to find out which product is the perfect fit for your car care needs. Number 5. The Lucas Oil 10512 Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is a powerful and reliable product designed to improve engine performance and fuel efficiency. This 16-ounce cleaner is formulated to tackle harmful nitrous oxide emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice that reduces pollutants while enhancing your vehicle's operation. One of its key features is its ability to effectively remove carbon deposits, which can clog your engine over time. By eliminating buildup, this cleaner helps to restore power and improve fuel economy. Users have noted impressive results after just one application. One customer reported a noticeable improvement in engine responsiveness and power on their motorcycle within 30 minutes of use. Many trust Lucas Oil for its quality, and this product lives up to expectations, consistently providing smooth, reliable engine performance. In addition, the cleaner helps eliminate knocking and pinging, making it ideal for vehicles experiencing engine misfires or hesitation. It even has a refreshing citrus scent, which adds a pleasant touch to its powerful formula. For anyone looking to boost mileage, reduce emissions, and maintain engine health, Lucas Oil's Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is a top choice and a great addition to any maintenance routine. Number 4. The BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is a highly effective solution for restoring the performance of your vehicle's fuel system. This product is designed to clean fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, making it an excellent choice for maintaining engine efficiency. With just one can treating up to 20 gallons of gasoline, it provides a cost-effective way to improve fuel system performance. Many users report significant improvements in both gas mileage and engine performance after using BG44K. One customer mentioned a noticeable increase in fuel efficiency, with fuel injectors running more smoothly and the overall system becoming more responsive. The product also boosts combustion quality and power output, enhancing engine performance. BG44K is compatible with all fuel system materials and works well with alcohol-blended fuels and common additives. It's recommended by mechanics as one of the best fuel system cleaners on the market, and it consistently receives praise for its ability to clean and restore fuel injectors efficiently. Although it's a bit pricier compared to other cleaners, many users feel it's well worth the investment for the results it delivers. If you're looking to restore engine power, improve fuel efficiency, and keep your fuel system in top condition, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is a great choice. Number 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is a highly effective solution for maintaining the health of your vehicle's fuel system. This 12-ounce bottle is designed to clean, restore, and protect critical components like fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Regular use can help restore lost power, acceleration, and fuel economy, making it a must-have for car owners seeking to optimize engine performance. Many users have reported significant improvements in fuel efficiency after using Techron. One reviewer mentioned a noticeable increase in miles per gallon after using 5 bottles over 1,600 miles, with their highway MPG increasing from 17.4 to 27.5. The cleaner also helps reduce common issues like rough idle, engine surging, hesitation, and spark plug fouling. Chevron's Techron product is especially praised for its ability to improve cold start performance and fuel stability, lasting up to a year. Regular use, especially every 3,000 miles or during an oil change, ensures that your engine stays clean and efficient. Some users also use it every 6 months as an extra safeguard, even if they only use top-tier gasoline. This approach is trusted by car owners and mechanics alike for keeping engines running smoothly. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is a great investment for those looking to maintain their vehicle's performance and longevity. Number 2. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to restore and maintain their vehicle's fuel system. This 15-ounce, 2-pack treatment is designed to exceed expectations, offering a powerful solution to clean injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers. With its concentrated blend of high-temp and low-temp detergents, this cleaner tackles deposits and prevents corrosion, improving your engine's performance. Many users have reported immediate, noticeable improvements in their vehicles after just one treatment. One reviewer mentioned their old Chevy truck gaining a boost in horsepower after adding Redline to their fuel tank, highlighting its impressive power-enhancing capabilities. Another user, who tried various fuel additives, claimed this was the first product that showed dramatic positive results on the first treatment, especially for cleaning fuel injectors and restoring optimal spray patterns. Redline SI1 enhances fuel stability and reduces the formation of gum and varnish, ensuring efficient fuel burn. It's simple to use. Just add 1 bottle per tank for maximum effectiveness. This cleaner has earned a loyal following for its ability to clean nearly 100% of deposits in a single treatment, making it an excellent choice for those looking to keep their engine running smoothly. Whether you have a performance vehicle or just want to improve your car's fuel efficiency, Redline SI1 is a top-notch choice. Number 1. STBL 360 Protection Ethanol Treatment and Fuel Stabilizer is a must-have for anyone wanting to keep their fuel system clean and efficient. This 10 fluid ounces bottle treats up to 50 gallons of fuel and offers a multifaceted solution for maintaining your vehicle's performance. It effectively cleans the entire fuel system, from injectors to fuel pumps, removing water, gum, and varnish and preventing corrosion. One user saw a dramatic improvement in fuel economy after using STBL 360 protection in their Ram 1500 Hemi V8, doubling their mileage from 8 mpg to 16 mpg. The cleaner helped improve overall engine performance, providing a smoother idle and higher RPMs. Another user, frustrated with a lawnmower that wouldn't start after winter storage, found that treating the fuel with STBL 360 each season kept the fuel stable, ensuring reliable engine starts year after year. This fuel stabilizer doesn't just clean. It also increases fuel mileage by ensuring your fuel system stays fresh and protected, even with ethanol-blended fuels. Its ability to prevent corrosion and keep fuel fresh for up to 12 months is a game-changer. Easy to use. Just add 1 ounce per 5 gallons of fuel. STBL 360 is a reliable, cost-effective solution to keep engines running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best fuel system cleaners of 2024. We hope this helped you find the right product to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car maintenance tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which fuel system cleaner you're considering, or if there's another product we should review. Keep your car in top shape, and we'll see you in the next video.